Good morning, the Chief Charter School. It's Friday, January 15th, 2021. We've been talking about purpose all week. We had so much fun with our guest speaker yesterday that I thought I'd bring him back for today. But first, let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can have a seat. Show me a good slant. So Mr. Walsh is back today to do another activity with us, another little game. I think you're going to love it. I want to say this. We've been talking about goals last week and setting goals for your life and little goals you can do throughout the week. And this we've been talking about purpose, like for your whole life, your life as an adult. And this activity today, and part of what Mr. Walsh says, really connects those two dots and connects those ideas together. And you're going to see how in your life, those little goals we set are good goals, but you got to have these like big dreams and goals too. So you can check out this video from Mr. Walsh, and then I'll be back in a minute, and then we will do the activity ourselves. Good morning again, Mr. Walsh. Welcome back.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wright. I'm excited to be back. I had fun last time just getting to know people.
Yeah, it was awesome. We love playing I Go, You Go. I noticed you're wearing, that must be your favorite shirt. You're wearing it again.
So this is a shirt my wife gave me, and I like to wear it as often as possible because my wife picks my clothing because she says that I don't do a good job sometimes. Apparently stripes and plaids don't always match, so she likes to make sure I dress correctly.
She's doing a good job. You look awesome. Anyways, I'm so glad you're back. That was really fun, and I heard that you have another game for us.
I'm telling you, I got a lot of games. So one of the games I like to play someday is some days I just like to know, what is it that people really want to do? I mean, thinking big, like dreaming. A lot of times people like to set goals, but they set goals for like what they want to do this year. Right? And in January, we always do these things. Well, some people do these things. They set resolutions, like what they're going to do this year. Whatever. I want to know, what do you want to do sometime in your life? Like really big. Okay? And so I like to play Someday I Wanna. All right? Now, here's how I'm going to do this so that we can set the timer again, and we'll play Someday I Wanna. And the way it works is that's all we're going to do is say, Someday I Wanna, and then we fill in the blank. Don't tell the story, just Someday I Wanna. And we'll do as many of them as we can in 1 minute, okay? So I will go first. Someday I want to take all my grandkids, remember I have 7 of them. Someday I want to take all my grandkids down to Disneyland and let them just have a blast.
Nice. Someday I want to go fly fishing in Alaska.
Someday I want to take my wife on a trip on a motorcycle ride around the United States, but I don't think I want to go to Alaska because that's too long of a ride. But someday I want to take her around the United States on the motorcycle.
Someday I want to do a cross-country trip over the summer and hit as many national parks as we can.
Wow, that would be so cool. Okay. Someday I want to write a book.
Someday I want to watch my daughters get married.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm going to borrow that one. Someday I want to watch my granddaughters get married because my sons are all done. But I want to watch my granddaughters get married someday. And you get the last one.
Someday, I'm out of ideas. Someday I want to play some gigs in front of people, some music.
Nice. And if I had time, if we hadn't run out of 1 minute, I would tell you the same thing. Like someday I want to be good enough to be able to play in a gig with people, but I'm not that good yet or anymore. I was a long time ago. I stopped playing. So, but here's what I love about Someday I Wanna is that it gives you a chance to find out some pretty cool ideas, and you get to share your cool ideas. And again, when I'm making friends, suddenly me and my friends have some other cool things to talk about. Like, how are we going to ever get there someday? Like, what are you going to do? And then you get to start planning backwards. Like, okay, so if I want to take my wife on a ride on the motorcycle, first thing I'm going to have to do is buy another motorcycle because I don't have my old one anymore. So I gotta work that out. So there's a few details, but I got lots of time to be able to do that. And that's what's so cool about Someday I Wanna. It's like, you know what? What's the coolest thing you really want to do? That's great. That's a cool idea. Let's start to figure out how we do that. And the guitar and the music, maybe we hook up and do a band thing one day. I think that'd be cool. Someday.
That's right. Someday we'll start a band. That sounds awesome. Uh,
Perfect.
cool. That was fun. I love that game. So students, will give you a chance to take some time with your class and partner up and play Someday I Want to. Thanks for coming again, Mr. Walsh.
Absolutely. I'll come back around and maybe I'll still be wearing the same shirt. Who knows?
Who knows?
Look at me talking when I'm muted again. Yeah, I love that. Mr. Walsh is awesome. He was a lot of fun to hang out with, and I had a great time just getting to know him better. We actually kept talking even after that video about like things we want to do and getting to know each other, and it was a really cool thing. Here's what I want you to do in class today. Teachers, you can structure this however you want. If you want to make this a whole class activity and people share some days I wanted, that's awesome. Teachers, aides, make sure you're sharing some days I wanted too. I think the kids will want to hear those. If you want to partner your kids up and give them a minute or two to share out with just one other person, that's fine too. Then next week we'll start the conversations of how do we take some of those really big dreams like someday I wanna do something amazing, and how do we start taking those little steps that he was talking about, like setting a PLP goal that supports your big dream that you're trying to do someday. Have fun playing Someday I Wanna. Students, have a great 3-day weekend. Staff, have a great 3-day weekend. You have all way more than earned it. Have a great day, Achieve.